Today, we're exploring the latest Samsung Galaxy phones from the revolutionary S24 Ultra to the budget-friendly models. Discover unparalleled design, AI-powered performance, and a world of possibilities with Samsung's newest innovations. After testing and evaluating more than 20 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a marvel of modern smartphone technology, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from our mobile devices. With its release, Samsung has once again set the bar high for competitors in the smartphone market. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a robust design with a titanium frame and Gorilla Armor glass, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Its large form factor may not be for everyone, but it exudes luxury and sophistication. The phone's squared-off edges give it a distinct look that sets it apart from its predecessors and competitors. Samsung has equipped the S24 Ultra with a stunning 6.8-inch display that offers vivid colors and deep blacks, thanks to its dynamic AMOLED technology. The screen resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels ensures that everything from text to videos looks sharp and engaging. The display is also less reflective, reducing glare and making it easier to use in bright conditions. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which delivers blazing fast performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Coupled with Samsung's One UI, the experience is fluid and responsive. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the S24 Ultra's camera setup, which includes a 200-megapixels main sensor. The camera system takes photography to new heights, offering incredible detail and versatility for all types of shots. Whether you're capturing landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, the S24 Ultra's cameras won't disappoint. Battery life is another area where the S24 Ultra shines. It outlasts many of its competitors, including the best iPhones, providing more than a day's worth of intense usage on a single charge. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's for those who want the best of the best and are willing to pay for it. While it comes with a hefty price tag, the features and performance justify the investment. It's a device that not only meets expectations but exceeds them in almost every way. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, a testament to the evolution of foldable technology, offering a sleeker, more robust user experience. Here's a comprehensive review of its features and characteristics. The Z Fold 5 boasts a thinner and lighter construction, making it more pocket-friendly and easier to handle. Its new flex hinge allows the device to fold perfectly flat, eliminating the gaps seen in previous models. Samsung has enhanced the main display to be brighter, providing vivid colors and deep contrasts that make visuals pop. However, the cover screen remains narrow, which might be a drawback for users seeking a more traditional smartphone experience when folded. Under the hood, the Z Fold 5 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, ensuring snappy performance across all tasks. This chipset is a powerhouse, especially for gaming and multitasking. While the camera hardware remains unchanged from the Z Fold 4, it still delivers strong performance. The main camera array captures detailed and vibrant photos, though it falls slightly behind the competition, like the Google Pixel Fold. The Z Fold 5 shines in multitasking capabilities, with software enhancements that make switching between apps and running multiple tasks simultaneously a breeze. Battery life sees an improvement, ensuring that the device can last through a day of heavy use. However, the charging speed is still capped at 25 watts, which might not be fast enough for some users. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a solid choice for those looking to dive into the foldable phone market. It offers a blend of high-end features and improvements over its predecessor, though it comes with a steep price tag. The device is ideal for tech enthusiasts and professionals who can make the most out of its expansive screen and multitasking capabilities. However, for those already owning a Z Fold 4, the upgrades might not justify the switch. The Z Fold 5 stands as a beacon of progress in the foldable segment, yet it leaves room for future enhancements, particularly in the realm of camera technology and charging speeds. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Our next pick is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, presenting a sleek and refined clamshell design that's both stylish and functional. With its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, this device stands as the most powerful clamshell foldable on the market, ensuring smooth performance across a variety of applications. One of the most notable improvements in the Z Flip 5 is its battery life, which has finally reached a point of practical usability, addressing one of the primary concerns of its predecessors. The versatile cover display has also seen enhancements, offering more interactive and useful features without the need to unfold the device. In terms of design, the Z Flip 5 has adopted a more minimalist approach, with colorways that might seem understated to some. However, this subtlety could be appealing to users looking for a device that doesn't scream for attention. Despite playing catch-up to its rivals in design, the Z Flip 5 holds its own with a build that's as durable as it is elegant, boasting an IPX8 rating and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced protection. The outer display functionality, while improved, is still somewhat limited by default, and the app continuity between the inner and outer screens could be better. Yet, these are minor quibbles in what is otherwise a solid offering from Samsung. Camera-wise, the Z Flip 5 doesn't make any groundbreaking strides but provides a reliable photographic experience that should satisfy the average user. The 12-megapixel rear and 10-megapixel front-facing cameras deliver quality shots, although those seeking a more advanced camera system may need to look elsewhere. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 represents a significant leap forward for the series. It offers the best performance and software support in its category, with a promise of long-term updates. While there's still room for improvement, particularly in the camera department and battery life, the Z Flip 5 is a compelling choice for anyone interested in diving into the world of foldables without compromising on performance or style. Number 4 on our list is Samsung Galaxy S24, a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and user experience. This latest addition to the Galaxy family boasts a sleek design and a suite of features that cater to both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. The Galaxy S24 continues Samsung's tradition of premium build quality with its compact and pocket-friendly design. Measuring just 5.79 by 2.78 by 0.30 inches and weighing 5.93 ounces, it's a device that's easy to handle and carry around. The use of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 ensures durability, protecting the device from the rigors of daily use. Samsung has equipped the S24 with a bright 6.2-inch display, offering a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. The vibrant screen is perfect for media consumption, gaming, and browsing, with colors that pop and details that are sharp and clear. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, ensuring flagship performance. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the S24 handles it all with ease. However, it's worth noting that the device can get warm during intensive gaming sessions. The Galaxy S24 runs on Android 14 and comes with a promise of 7 years of software updates, which is a significant commitment from Samsung. The inclusion of AI features adds to the user experience, with tools that enhance productivity and creativity. Battery life is exceptional, with the device lasting up to 13 hours and 5 minutes in tests, ensuring that you can get through a full day on a single charge. The Samsung Galaxy S24 strikes a balance between size, performance, and features. It's a device that won't disappoint, whether you're looking for a powerful camera, long battery life, or just a reliable smartphone that fits comfortably in your hand. While it faces stiff competition, the S24 holds its own as a strong contender in the market. With its combination of a fast processor, helpful AI tools, and a commitment to long-term software support, the Galaxy S24 is a smart choice for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful smartphone. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is Samsung Galaxy A15, a formidable contender in the budget smartphone market, offering a harmonious blend of performance and value. It challenges the notion that affordability comes at the cost of quality. The Galaxy A15 sports a design reminiscent of its higher-end siblings, with a plastic build that is sturdy yet lacks the premium feel of the Galaxy S series. It measures 6.30 by 3.02 by 0.33 inches and weighs 7.09 ounces, presenting a comfortable grip and a familiar aesthetic. The display is safeguarded by Dragon Trail Pro Glass, although the absence of an IP rating suggests caution against dust and water exposure. A standout feature is the 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen, boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. It delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it a pleasure to view content. The 90Hz refresh rate is a pleasant surprise in this price segment, ensuring smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. The Galaxy A15 is powered by a MediaTek 68-35 CPU, paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It runs on Android 14 and promises 4 years of software updates, which is commendable for a budget device. The performance is competent, handling everyday tasks with ease, though it may exhibit some hiccups during intense multitasking. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, complemented by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The 13-megapixel front-facing camera is adequate for selfies and video calls. While it may not compete with flagship devices, the camera system is passable for the price point, capturing decent photos in good lighting conditions. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G doesn't aim to dazzle with high-end specs or groundbreaking features. Instead, it focuses on delivering a solid smartphone experience for those who prioritize functionality over frills. With its excellent display, reliable battery life, and Samsung's software upgrade policy, the Galaxy A15 5G stands out as an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking a dependable device. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.